Hello again, everybody. A few weeks ago, Kitty the Cat 1 uploaded a card trick on my website, thecardtrickteacher.com, called Colorful Prediction. It's an easy, impromptu beginner card trick, and I think it's pretty cool. What I'd like you to do is watch Kitty the Cat 1's performance of Colorful Prediction. Let me know if you can figure it out the first time you watch it. Then come back. I'll show you a slightly different way of doing it and explain the trick to you. So click on the link now, watch his performance, then come back and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, what you're going to need to do is remove the two jokers from the deck, and there should be 52 cards. So there are 26 red cards, 26 black cards, and 26 is your key number. So you're going to give the cards to the spectator and tell them they can mix the deck. You turn around if you want, and it could be their deck, so there's no possible way you could know where the cards are in the deck. They're going to hand you the deck, and now you're going to count the cards as you deal them down, but you do not want the spectator to know that you're counting. So the way to do this is first lay down 5 cards as you say to the spectator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 piles. And the 2 piles, you're going to select one. And I know now that I just dealt down 5 cards. So I'm going to pause, talk to them. Say, so now as I deal the cards down and I'm going to have 2 piles, you can stop me wherever you want. So now I know I'm at 10. The reason why I'm doing this is because you don't want the spectator to think that you're counting the cards, because you're pausing each time, and you don't want them to see that you're counting or see that your lips are moving. So count in your mind. I know I'm at 10, and now I say to the spectator, just tell me to stop whenever you want. So I'm thinking to myself, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's say they say stop. So they say stop. 19, 26 is the magic number. So 26 minus 19 is 7. That means that the larger pile will have 7 more red cards than the smaller pile has black cards, and the larger pile will have 7 more black cards than the smaller pile has red cards. It works out that way every time. But you don't want both predictions. You only want to make one. So what you do first is you tell the spectator which pile do you want for yourself. Let's say they choose the larger pile. Say, fine. Now, you know that the number is 7. So you ask them what color they want, red or black. Let's say they want black. You say, okay, so you are going to have black cards. I have red cards. And now you're going to make your prediction. Trust me, you want to write it down because it's confusing if you don't write it down. And now 7 is the number, so we're going to say you will have 7 more black cards than I have red cards. There. I don't know who has a sloppier handwriting, me or Kitty the Cat 1. Okay, now you're going to refer to this in a second, because as they're counting, they're going to forget. This is your prediction. You will have 7 more black cards than I have red cards. So they're going to look and count their black cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 black cards, 7 more, which means I am going to have 8 red cards. Let's see if my prediction was correct. 8 red cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It works every time, and I think it's a pretty cool trick. It's mathematical, but you don't want people to know that. That's why you don't want them to see you counting. If they should happen to deal more than 26 cards, if they deal 35 cards, then you subtract 26 from the number. 35 minus 26 is 9. So that's how you want to work it, and let me know what you guys think, if you think this is a cool trick or not. Anyway, thank you, Kitty the Cat 1. I think it's a really cool trick. That's it. I'll see you next time.